students. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is trigonometric ratios. Now MCA type of questions are now discussed. MCA means multiple correct answer type. Now one or more answers are correct. Now here first one, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to x and secant theta minus cos theta is equal to y. Then now here one or more answers are correct. Now here first one, here given equation, first one, cot theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Now cot theta means cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta is equal to x. Now here LCM, sin theta into cos theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to x. Now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Now 1 by sin theta into cos theta is equal to x. By cross multiplication, now x sin theta into cos theta is equal to x sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. Now here option A is the one of the answer. Now here A. Okay, next. Second equation, secant theta minus cos theta is equal to y. Now secant theta minus tan theta is equal to y. Now secant theta minus cos theta is equal to y. Now 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to y. Now LCM cos theta, 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta is equal to y. Now 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta is equal to by sin square theta is equal to now y cos theta. Now option 2 is the correct one, B. B also one of the answer. Next here, x square y, both C and D have x square y and xy square is there. Now x value 1 by sin theta into cos theta, y value sin square theta by cos square theta. Now x square y, first find x square y. Now x square y is equal to x value 1 by cos theta sin theta means cos square theta sin square theta. Now y value sin square theta by cos theta. Now sin square theta cancel. 1 by cos cube theta means secant cube theta. Now xy square. Now xy square is equal to. Now xy square means 1 by cos theta sin theta. 1 by cos theta sin theta. Now here y value is sin square theta by cos theta. Now xy square is equal 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now y square value sin power 4 theta by cos square theta. Now here square and sin theta cancel, here denominator cos cube theta, sin cube theta by cos cube theta, tan cube theta. Now xy square x square y value is there. Now here we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now power 2 by 3. Now x square y power 2 by 3 minus xy square power 2 by 3. Now x square secant cube theta power 2 by 3 minus tan cube theta power 2 by 3. Now here 3 cancel and here also 3 cancel. Now secant square theta minus tan square theta, that value is equal to 1. Therefore x square y power 2 by 3 minus xy square power 2 by 3 is equal to 1, and also option D is the correct one. Now here A, B, D are the correct answers. Okay, next one. If b greater than 1, sin t greater than 0, cos t greater than 0, log of sin t base b is equal to x, then log of cos t base b is equal to. Now here given log of sin t base b is equal to x. Now that implies sin t is equal to b power x. Now according to fundamental principle of logarithm, now x is equal to log n to the base a. A power x is equal to n. A power x equal to n, x equal to log n to the base a. If and only if. Now where x log n to the base a is equal to x. Now a power x is equal to n. Next let log cos t base b is equal to let log cos t base b is equal to y. Now cos t is equal to b power y. Now we have this one squaring on both sides. Now b power 2y is equal to cos square t. Cos square t means 1 minus sin square t. Now sin t value b power x. B power x whole square means now b power x whole square, b power 2x. 1 minus b power 2x. Now here b power 2y is equal to 1 minus b power 2x. Now a power x is equal to n. X is equal to log n to the base a. Now y is equal to log of 1 minus b power 2x base b. Now y is equal to 1 by 2 into y is equal to 1 by 2 into log of 1 minus b power 2x base b. Now one of the answer is 1 by 2 into log 1 minus b power 2x. Now here log a power m is equal to m log a. M log a means log a power m. M log a. Log a power m. Power 1 by 2 means now here y is equal to log of square root of 1 minus b power 2x base b. Now power 1 by 2 means square root of 1 minus b power 2x base b. And here also option C is the correct answer. Now here A and C are the correct answers. Next one, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi, 81 power sin square theta plus 81 power cos square theta is equal to 30. Then theta is, now here 81 power sin square theta plus 81 power cos square theta can be write 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 30. Now 81 power 1 by 81 power sin square theta. Let 81 power sin square theta is equal to t. Now t plus 81 by t is equal to 30. Now t square plus 81 is equal to 30t. Now t square minus 30t plus 81 is equal to 0. Now factors of this one, t square minus 3t minus 27t plus 81 is equal to 0. Now here t common, t minus 3 minus 27 common. Now t minus 3 is equal to 0. Now t minus 3 into t minus 27 is equal to 0. Now t is equal to 3 or 27. Now here t means now 81 power sine square theta is equal to 3. Now 3 power 81 can be write 3 power 4. 3 power 4 sine square theta is equal to 3 power 1. Now 4 sine square theta is equal to 1. Now 4 sine square theta is equal to 1. Now sine square theta is equal to 1 by 4. Now sine theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. And also 27 means now 81 for 3 power 4. 3 power 4 sine square theta is equal to 3 cube. Now 4 sine square theta is equal to 3. 4 sine square theta is equal to 3. Now sine square theta is equal to 3 by 4. Now here sine square theta is equal to 1 by 4 means now sine theta is equal to plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now here plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Therefore now here 4 values is there. Now 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 120 and 150 degrees. Therefore now A, B, C, D 4 options is the correct one. 4 options is the correct one. And here also now according to this one trigonometric equations, now sine square theta is equal to, now sine square theta is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Now sine square theta is equal to sine square pi by 6. Now theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6. N pi plus or minus pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. Now n pi plus or minus 30 degrees. Now here n value 0 means now here plus or minus 30 degrees. Now here plus 30 degrees is the one of the value. Now here n value, suppose here 2. Now n value 1. N value 1 means 180 minus 30. Now 180 minus 30 means 150 value. Okay. Same here also sine square theta is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Sine square theta is equal to sine square pi by 3. Pi by 3. And here also theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Now n equal to 0 means pi by 3. 60 is the one of the value. Okay, now n value 1 means pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 means 120 degree is the one of the value. Therefore, A, B, C, D is the correct answers.